Got a John Deere 3-point hitch. It's for the four-wheel drive tractors. 90-30 series, under 13,000. 90-20, 9,000 series. 80-70, 80-60s. It'll fit all of those. It'll fit over 13,000, but the controls are different, which would add some cost on top of the price of this one if we have the controls. If you want to run it off your SCVs, it wouldn't cost you anything extra. So this, we're going to leave it complete. We're going to leave the quick hitch on it. Drawbar support is part of the hitch. Drawbar is not included because whatever drawbar you have will work. We do require an exchange on your drawbar support. This hitch is in good shape. I haven't seen any issues of it being worn. All the pins look good. I can see it's been serviced. Lift cylinder doesn't show any signs of leaks. The right hand shows a little seepage right here, but nothing that's running down the cylinder. So may need a seal, it may not. Now, the quick hitch is in great shape here, but I don't know if someone made this or fabricated it, but it's got some bracing on it. Maybe is the kind way to say that. But pins are in good shape. It works. I swapped did the levers. So because most people will be, you add this, you don't replace it. This is the hitch control valve and the hitch module. This allows you to control it in the cab. If you want to run it straight off the SCVs, you won't have to have that. And we can work on the price based on that. Right now we're going to price it all complete. If you've got a 90-20 and up, you already have cab controls, or excuse me, you already have wiring harness. 9,000 and down, you don't have the wiring harness. So we'll keep the harness based on your needs or the application you're putting it on. So these don't last very long. I wanted to get it listed. It's Thanksgiving Day, and I had nothing else to do. So if we can help you out, give us a call.